Hello Science. I'm a fourth year undergraduate student at University of Toronto majoring in human biology. Today we're going to make model lungs to gain a better understanding of the respiratory system. So what happens when we breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide, and what are the different organs that are involved. So let's delve right into it. For this experiment, you'll need 3 balloons, 2 straws, a scissor, tape, clay or plasticine, plastic bottle, exacto knife, and a pencil. Okay, get your plastic bottle and cut off approximately 1/3 of the bottom using an exacto knife. Please have an adult do this part for you. Now grab your balloon, tie a knot, and cut off the opposite side of the knot. This will act as our diaphragm. Cover the bottom of the plastic bottle like so. For the trachea and the bronchi, cut 2 straws approximately 1/3 in length and another that is slightly longer. Take the 2 identical straws and cut the tip at an angle so that it creates a pointy triangle. Do the same for the slightly longer straw as well. Now gather all of your 3 straws and make a Y shape and secure it in place with tape. I forgot to add a clip here, but take your remaining balloons and cut the opening neck section. These will act as our lungs. Attach the balloon to the end of the straw like so. Now grab your clay and make a sphere. Pierce the hole with the pencil, pass the trachea we made earlier through this hole and insert it into the neck of the bottle. Secure it in place with the clay, ensuring no air can pass through. Our lungs expand when our diaphragm contracts or moves down, as you can see me from pulling down on the knot. This causes the rib cage and the surrounding rib muscles to move out, allowing us to bring in as much oxygen as we can. This is known as inhalation. On the contrary, when we want to breathe out or exhale, our diaphragm relaxes or moves up and our lungs essentially deflate. How does the air get to our lungs? Well, it begins from our nose and mouth, which then travels down our trachea to the bronchi, which provides a passageway into the lungs. Similar to tree branches, these branch into smaller passageways known as bronchioles. At the end of the bronchioles, there are these tiny sacs called alveoli. This is where gas exchange occurs by the process of simple diffusion. Simple diffusion is a process by which molecules move along a concentration gradient, so from higher concentration to lower concentration. The exchange of gases, so oxygen and carbon dioxide, occurs between the alveoli and the blood. Oxygen diffuses from the alveoli into the blood, whereas carbon dioxide is diffused from the blood into the alveoli, which then is released. Thanks for watching, guys. If you'd like to learn more about other science-related concepts, please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and TikTok. Don't forget to send us a photo of your model lung experiment. Bye!